Good morning. So here we have a Maxus eDeliver 3 electric van. It's also called an LDV EV30 in other markets, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the cabin filter. So we're in the UK, so this is a right hand drive UK spec car, and the cabin filter location is up under here in the passenger footwell. So I'll get a bit of light in here with the torch, and then if you look in here, this is it here. So you've got a tag here. You can remove that. It's just got a tag on the other side that hooks into a slot, and you obviously use this end to remove it. And here's your cabin filter, which has fallen out. You need to take note of the airflow direction, which is this side pointing to the driver's side. So this is the dirty side and this is the clean side. I'll put the dimensions of this in the video description below, because you'll probably find it will be quite difficult to source one of these filters if you're looking for the Maxus eDeliver 3, because it is a new vehicle, but I'm sure there are other filters the same size. And if you want to verify the air intake and the air direction, if you have a look under the bonnet here above your air conditioning lines, you can see that's your air intake there up under the windscreen. So I hope that helps. If it has, please do click that thumbs up button on YouTube. That really does help other people find the channel. Plenty of EV videos on the channel already as well, so do subscribe if you're not, and I'll see you on the next video.